Hello guys, yes Shivli and you're welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a simple recipe of horse gram. Sprouted horse gram actually. You may take any kind of sprouts here, there's no problem, and it will be a white curry. Actually it's a Maharashtrian village style recipe that's so simple and so tasty. So guys, let's see the recipe. At first we need to wash the sprouts very well, and after that we need to boil them. So after washing, I have taken some water and some salt in it. About half teaspoon of salt I added, and now I am going to boil them for about 15 to 20 minutes. You may boil them in pressure cooker until one whistle. So let's boil them. After boiling for about 15 minutes, I am showing you the texture. So guys, after boiling for about 15 minutes, the color of the water has been dark, but that's not a problem. We are not going to throw out the water because the water is full of nutrients and the water is full of flavor of sprouts. So we are going to take all the water. Let's go for the next process. I added some cooking oil in a vessel, and after the oil is heated well, I am adding some onions finely chopped. You may add some cumin seeds and some mustard seeds as a forni or tadka, but I am skipping that. We need to fry the onions until the color starts to be brown, and after that we need to add some crushed green chilies and some crushed garlic. I took green chilies according to taste, and I took about 8 to 10 cloves of garlic. And after the flavor of garlic, raw flavor of garlic is gone, we need to add some tomatoes. I have taken a medium sized tomato finely chopped, adding it all. After adding tomatoes, we need to add some salt according to taste and some coriander seeds powder. Coriander powder is the only spice we are going to add because I am making the village style, Maharashtrian village style white curry of the sprouts. But if you want to make it spicy, you may add all the spices as you want or as you like, such as cumin seeds powder, coriander seeds powder, garam masala, red chili powder, kanda lasun masala, all the spices as you like. So after the tomatoes are soft nicely, now I am mashing the tomatoes a little, and after that we are going to add the boiled sprouts followed by all the water, because I told you that the water is full of nutrients, full of flavor, so we are not going to throw it out. Add all the water and all the sprouts in the vessel. After adding it, we need to boil the curry for about 7 to 10 minutes approximately. Along with all the things, I am adding some roasted peanut powder. Simply I roasted some peanuts, and after cooling down, I grinded them into a coarse powder, not very fine. And now we are going to boil the curry for about 7 to 10 minutes. The sprouts are already cooked, so we don't need to cook them for a long time. After boiling for about 10 minutes, this is the texture of the curry. This curry is traditionally made little thin, and now at the end of this recipe we are going to check the salt. You may add more salt if needed, and at the end I am adding some finely chopped fresh coriander leaves. After adding coriander leaves, we are going to boil it for about 1 minute again, and after that our curry will be ready. So guys, our curry is ready. Let's turn the heat off and serve the curry hot. After resting for about 10 minutes, this is the texture of the curry. The gravy is thicker than before, and the curry is looking quite shiny because all the oil is above the curry. So let's serve it. This curry is so much tasty with roti, chapati, boiled rice or bhakri. Bhakri means roti made with jowar or bajra. So this curry is so much delicious with all of them. Try this simple recipe at home and don't forget to share your experience with me. Thank you so much.